Have you accidentally deleted your Microsoft account? Don't worry. Let's guide you through the recovery process. First, navigate to the Microsoft Account Recovery page. Here, you can start the process easily. Enter your email address and hit Next. Make sure it's the one linked to your account. You'll receive a verification code via email or SMS. Input that code to proceed. Once verified, follow the prompts to reset your password. Choose something secure. Congratulations! Your Microsoft account is now restored. Enjoy seamless access to all your services. To avoid future issues, regularly update your account recovery info. Enable two-factor authentication for extra security. Stay aware of phishing scams, don't share your password. If you ever need support, visit the Microsoft support page for assistance. Remember, knowledge is power. Being proactive can save you time and hassle. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more tech insights.